Nope, take it up like 3 so he can get through the grass. There you go. Raise it up. One square at a time. Usually just a front half of the drawing. Now, one square at a time. Slowly, one square at a time. Yep.
I have to do it in the lockout.
Hanging on the cage.
Well, it's hard to appreciate just how hard it is to hang on the cage and be doing something with your hands because you're holding on entirely by your toes.
Opening and closing the same doors day after day for cleaning and feeding. The ropes wear out, so what I'm doing is replacing a rope on several of the guillotine doors. This is the Texas Tigers cage, and since we have to separate all 3 of them at feeding time, several different doors get opened and closed multiple times a day for cleaning and feeding. So, you know, with anything, it wears out. The more you use it, the faster it wears out. So that's what I'm doing.
This is the site of the vacation rotation cage. It is 2.5 acres, and as you can see, we are just now setting the poles. These will be 15 feet above the ground, plus a 5-foot cantilever at the top. Here I'm going around the northwest corner and then down a little bit over 300 feet to the southwest corner. This new play yard will have a lot of trees and shade, and there's a very nice pond where the cats can splash around and have a great time. The poles are being set by Extreme Fence, and then we will do the rest of the cage work after the poles have been set in concrete.
It's looking good. Real good tomorrow. What are you working on?
Oh goodness. Hi. Say hello, 75,000 people out there.
Hi.
That was
5 different projects at one time, including Miss Bonnie Raitt, that is going to kindly allow us to pay kudos to her in our Advocate newsletter.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
What are you working on, Tigger? Keeping an eye on Nikita out there?
The Big Cat Watch.